cool. Gonna take 2 or 3, and the Monday, Tuesday thing is pretty permanent, barring some emergency. Jerry said he gave Robbie the schedule because he's such a fantastic server.
Ah, very cool. Hey, put my phone up there. Got my video.
How much do you want to record?
That's probably pretty good. That gives us a pretty good handle.